Hello, welcome back to the channel. So today we'll learn about the Charles law and the Boyle's law. Okay. So first is that what is Boyle's law? So this law states that the temperature remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of dry gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, right? So if the volume of a gas is V, which will be inversely proportional to its pressure if the T, which is temperature, which is constant. Okay. Now if you see, if the initial volume is V1, initial pressure is P1, and final volume is V2. The final pressure is P2. Now what will happen here? What we got is that V inversely proportional to the P. So basically P into V, which is giving K. K is the constant. Now if the initial pressure and volume is P1 and V1, and the final pressure and volume is P1 and V2. Okay, so P1 V1 equal to P2 V2 equal to K. So this is basically the Boyle's law equation. Now we'll come for the Charles law equation. So what this law is stating is that if the pressure is remaining constant, right, there what it was in the Boyle's law temperature is constant. Here the pressure is remaining constant, the volume of a given mass of dry gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature, right? Absolute temperature is represented as T. So here it will be V directly proportional to T, right? So basically if the we can write like that, V by T equal to K. K is the constant. So if the initial volume is V1 and the initial temperature is T1, then the final volume, which will be V2, and the final temperature will be T2. So V1 by T1 equal to V2 by T2, which is constant, right? So this is the Charles law equation. Now if we combine this gas equation together, then how it will be? So from the Boyle's law, what you understood is that V inversely proportional to P and V directly proportional to T. So we can write like this way: V is proportional to T by P, right? So which can give us V equal to KT by P. Now you see, now we can write like this way: P V equal to KT. Okay, so if the initial okay, then another thing we can do is that PV divided by T, which is constant, right? So here so by combining these two law, what we are getting is that if the initial pressure is P1, initial volume is V1, and the initial temperature is T1, then the final pressure, which is P2, final volume, which will be V2, and the final temperature will be T2. So this will give us the constant value. Okay, so this equation, which will help for solving lots of problem from this gas laws. Okay, we will discuss those problems from this formula, how we can do those things in the next class.